Welcome to this presentation of the Menhir statues currently housed in the lapidarium of the DEVA Museum of Dacian and Roman Civilization. This video is also the second in a series of 5 videos based on the work done during the photogrammetry workshop pilot at DEVA Museum in 2021. This and the rest of the models in this presentation is a menhir. A menhir is a prehistoric megalithic monument with funerary or cult character, built of a block of stone placed vertically, and can be either isolated or in groups. The statues were made of a local sandstone that is friable and easy to process, and were intentionally shaped to be anthropomorphic. The arms of the statues start from the side and rest on the chest. Open palms have well-defined spread fingers. The lower limbs are not outlined. The middle is identified by a wide belt which climbs up on the front, bifurcating near the palms. It frames the neck where it connects with another long rectangular relief on the back. On the left side, at the waist on all of the pieces, there is a pickaxe. None of the statues have a head. The discovery of the pieces in a well-known mining area and the attributes figured on them led to the interpretation in connection with gold mining. Thus, the wide band on the back was interpreted as a bag or a basket with which the ore was transported, and the hands brought on the chest ready to grab the belts signify the effort made in this activity. It is likely they also have some sort of religious or funerary significance. The funeral or religious context is fairly likely because, like other types of anthropomorphic statues, they were housed in shrines and fixed in vertical positions on funeral mounds. The set of menhir now housed in DEVA were found to belong to a megalithic cult or funerary complex, confirming that they likely had a religious or funerary significance of some kind. The creators and bearers of these monuments in Transylvania are groups of steppe people belonging to the Gemnaia culture, originating from the area north of the Black Sea. From a chronological point of view, their dating is limited to the end of the Copper Age, otherwise known as the Neolithic, and the beginning of the Bronze Age, respectively the second half of the 3rd millennium BC. The statuary in this presentation was photographed by a team of students in archaeotech